Now we are taking you to Kaliraya Surf Camp in Cavinti, Laguna. Stress mom. Hello, stress mom. Hello, boss. This is our kitchen and dining area. The white box on the right is our side table / snacks pantry. In the middle is our coffee essentials and some cookwares. The left white box is my mom's favorite, the kitchen pantry that holds our vegetables, spices, condiments, and everything you need to make a delicious dish. In this nice kitchen, over there on the right is our EcoFlow glacier that keeps our drinks cold and our meats frozen. We converted our trolley as table to store our plates and cups, which is practically beside our water jug. In the middle is our 6-seater dining table. And here is our living area. We used our clothes storage box as center table and our Thor boxes as side tables. That's our bedroom with 2 queen-size beds. Our kitchen and dining is Mountainhiker dome, while our bedroom and living is Vidalido Poon large. It is very windy and relaxing here at Kaliraya Surf Camp.
Hi, Calix. Hello.
Natin.
Iihawin.
Ikaw.
grab your jacket and your shades. We're taking lead from this Lakeside town. So we'll be miles away. Oh, down the red sky with the mountain. Someday we'll be flying somewhere we'll find crows flying on the road, laughing, moving at a speed of 100 miles. The blue of the horizon is all we see. You fly with me, we're floating on the wind, smashing all the little fears that can stop a ride. Skies without a cloud, it's all we see. We fly, we don't do it for fame. I feel your pulses growing quicker. Take time right and choose a name. Close your eyes and chase your ticket. Today.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.